Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Hair Tips. As the summer months quickly approach, people with curly hair may start to dread the heat and humidity that can come with the season. However, with the right tips, everyone with curly hair can maintain healthy and beautiful locks in the summertime. Here are some tips for those with curly hair to keep their hair looking its best in the summer months. Wear a hat or scarf to protect your curls from the sun. Avoid using heat styling tools as much as possible to prevent damage. Use a lightweight oil or serum to help prevent frizz and protect your curls from the humidity. Hats and scarves need to be lined with satin or silk to prevent breakage from rubbing against natural fibers. Masks should be used only if needed. Too much moisture can cause swelling of hair shaft. Too much protein will cause stiffness, which will make hair break. Masks can be used once a month depending on needs. Oils block moisture. Use an anti-humectant to help seal. This might include gels, mousse and setting lotions. They are water-soluble, and will not cause future buildup on strands and scalp. Please use protective styles like braid out, twist outs and cornrows without extensions that will allow you to not manipulate your hair during the summer months. So there you have it. We have come to the end of another lesson. Our top tips for keeping your curls looking healthy and fabulous this winter. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or additional tips, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget, Easy Hair Tips works with the Pamper Me Network and Beauty We to help the world's best hair stylists, makeup artists, photographers and models raise funds for, or monetize their creative projects. If that is you, we would love to collaborate. If that's not you, but you would like to recommend a friend, we will pay you for making the introduction. Please send a direct message if interested. I will send you instructions to get started. In the interim, please follow, like, comment or subscribe for more hair care tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye for now.